F1 as a center. B2 is going to be radius. F1 as a center, you have to cut the arc in Q portion, arc in S portion, Q portion and R portion. So therefore, this is B2, this is B2. So you are getting Q2, R2. This length I am showing it as B2. So this length I am showing it as B2. Then B2 is going to be radius, F2 as a center, F2 as a center, B2 is going to be radius, F2 as a center. You have to cut the arc in P portion, arc in S portion. So these two. What is this radius? B2. What is this radius? B2. So therefore you are getting P2 and S2. So finally you are getting P2, Q2, R2, S2. So next procedure, A3 is going to be radius, F1 is the center, A3 is going to be radius and F1 is the center, this is A3 radius. Again A3 radius, F1 as a center. Now A3 as a radius, F2 as a center. A3 is going to be its radius, F2 is going to be center. Draw arcs in Q portion, R portion. So therefore this length is going to be A3 and this length is going to be A3. After getting these concerned arcs, P portion, Q portion, R portion, S portion, now you have to consider B3 is going to be its radius. B3 is going to be its radius. F1 as a center. B3 is going to be its radius. F1 as a center. You have to cut the Q portion point. So therefore it becomes little bit B3. Here also B3. You are getting here Q3 R3. Similarly, B3 is going to be radius, F1 as center, you did it. B3 as radius, F2 as a center. Now F2 as a center, this is going to be radius B3. This is P3. This is B3. This becomes S3. You are obtained the concern points. Those concern points P1, P2, P3, Q3, Q2, Q1, R1, R2, R3, S3, S2, S1. Now all these points are going to be joined by using HB pencil as a smooth curve. Starting from A, end point of major axis, A to P1, P1 to P2, P2 to P3, P3 to C, C2 to Q1, Q1 to Q2, Q1 to Q1, Q1 to B, B to R1, R1 to R2, R2 to R3, R3 to D, D to S3, S3 to S2, S2 to S1 and S1 to B, A. Now you can observe you are having A, P1, P2, P3, C, Q3, Q1, Q2, Q1, B, R1, R2, R3, D, S3, S2, S1 is a form of an ellipse. Now for this one, how to draw a tangent and normal. Suppose you have to locate any point on a curve. Any point on a curve from a distance from major axis, distance from minor axis, and distance from its focus. Its focal. Now I am considering a point. Considering a point. This is going to be a point I am choosing. This is going to be a point M. M is going to be point. M is going to be joined with F1. F1M is a straight line. M F2 is going to be straight line. Now you can see that F1 M F2 is going to be acute angle. Now for this acute angle you have to draw a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. How to draw the perpendicular bisector? Some convenient radius from M, draw one considerable radius. This is going to be concerned points on F1 M, F2 M. I am choosing these points Z and K. So again, this considerable radius is going to be existing. G is a center, another arc, K is a center, another arc. This is going to be L. Now how to join the points L and M? This is going to be perpendicular bisector for this respective acute angle. This is going to be a normal N1 and N2. Perpendicular to this N1 and N2 line, you have to draw a perpendicular which is going to be its tangent T1 and T2. So this is the procedure for foci method.